Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Sam Benowitz, owner of Raintree Nursery in Morton, Washington, knows about some unique shrubs that are easy to grow, produce copious quantities of vitamin-rich berries, and whose leaves are so beautiful you'd love to have them as landscape plants. These shrubs are known by such names as sea buckthorn and Aronia. Okay, maybe you haven't heard of them, but if you lived in Eastern Europe and China, you'd appreciate these plants for their nutritional and medicinal qualities. The sea buckthorn, which grows to 10 feet, produces loads of orange berries, while the Aronia, spelled A-R-O-N-I-A, is more petite. Here's Sam.
The Aronia is really an interesting one. Aronia melanocarpa is a shrub. It's just loaded with dark purple berries, about the size of maybe a little bit bigger than blueberries. It makes a wonderful juice that's used as a substitute for cranberry juice, and it's a beautiful shrub. It's more of a spreading shrub than the sea buckthorn. It only grows maybe about 5 or 6 feet tall, and has beautiful fall foliage, too.
While home gardeners are just turning on to these hardy fruits, commercial interest in the health benefits of Aronia juice has been growing. Interest is based on its very high levels of flavonoids, 5 to 10 times higher than cranberry juice, with beneficial nutrients that may include compounds that specifically fight cancer and cardiac disease. Test plantings of Aronias have been established by the U.S. Department of Agriculture in North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. You can find out more about these amazing plants at raintreenursery.com. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.